Cool as fuck. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I've tried to do this intro 50 times now, waiting for a break in the traffic, but it just isn't going to happen. So I apologise for the traffic noise, but today I thought I would attempt to do a real world 0 to 60. Just to preface this video, I'm saying real world because I'm under the assumption that maybe you're wondering how fast you can get your 600cc super sport bike off the line. Assuming this is your own bike, you're not going to want to redline it in first gear. You don't want to thrash the absolute arse off it. You don't want to risk flipping the bike, wheeling. Do you know what I mean? You want to know a real world, fairly conservative attempt to launch a bike, because I have never launched this bike before. I'm still a complete newbie. I've done less than 1,000 miles on it. So let's see what kind of times we're putting up, just to give you a rough estimation. It's going to be hard to find a good gap. Right, we're pulling up to our grid slot. Right, this is a gap, this is it. Wow. Not the best launch. I probably wasn't. It's hard to look down to see what revs you're doing. I'll take it for a first attempt though. I also I'm not at the point yet where I'm happy to like clutchless shift this bike. I don't know what it is. Something in my head just doesn't want me or want to let me do it. I'd rather just use the clutch as it's intended. I know it's probably fine to do it, but not on my bike. So this is a real world test, a real world beginner acceleration super sport launch test. That's what I'll call it. It's a bit of a mouthful. Right, attempt number 2. Right, that's a gap, I think. As you can tell, I'm definitely not launching it. Like I'm just sort of pulling away normally, and then I'm twisting the wrist. That looks like a gap. Right, I've come off the motorway. I don't know if this is going to be a good idea, but I might just try and quickly take it up to 60. It's a little bit downhill here, so I'll go a bit forward. Don't know what the surface is like. Right, screw it. Right, this is it. 0 to 60. Does it in first gear. It's actually bonkers. I think that was probably the best attempt recording. Yeah, probably the best attempts I've done. Bit less pressure when there's not cars steaming down the motorway behind you. But yeah, that kind of concludes the real world beginner 0 to 60 launch test. Oh my god. Yeah, so I'll end the video here, guys. If you did enjoy, please do let me know with a like, or comment down below if, say, you've got a better time, or if this video was helpful. Even if it was shit, please do let me know down in the comments, as I do read them all, and I'm only a tiny YouTube channel, so any interaction is greatly appreciated.